짬뽀라도. 야, 여기다가 쌀 넣다니 진짜 난. 코코아.
With the rice.
아, 기다려.
이상해.
짬뽀라도에 김치. I will put some. Very same color. Yeah. Hello, this is Mr.BulBul. I will cook something. What if I cook some Filipino food by myself, not my wife? So I searched a few very simple Filipino food that I can make it very simple and very fast. And I found something very interesting thing called champo? Champorado. Champorada는 뭐야? Champorada.
Champorado.
없어요? Champorado. I think this is men's food. Champorada is girls' food. This is made of cocoa powder. The thing is, I have never tried cocoa powder other than tea or bakery in Korea. So when I heard Champorado is made of rice and cocoa powder, I was very surprised. What? It feels like eating rice and cola, milk and cola. Yeah, it feels like that. I'm Korean. Korean point of view is true. And I don't know how to cook it, how to make it. But my wife prepared some simple ingredients. So I don't think this is cooking. This is just mixing and boiling. So I have to search first. Champorado recipe. Okay. Panlasang Pinoy easy champorado recipe. Ingredients: 5 pieces. Table. 이 뭐야? Tabla.
Tablea. Chocolate powder야.
Okay. Pour water in a cooking pot. 6 to 8 cups water. Okay. 6 to 8 cups water. All right. 6 to 8 너무 많은데? I think 6 cups is too much, so I cannot eat them all. So I reduced about 30%. Not enough?
I thought you put the rice first.
We don't have tabla, so I will use cocoa and add in the rice. 코코아 물에다가 밥 넣어서 먹는 거네.
Huh?
Okay.
Put the rice.
Okay, I'm boiling water first. And she says I need to put the rice first, but I will follow this instruction. Make it lugao, right? Lugao style. Where? I bought this for today. This one is called 단팥죽, because when I said champorado, cocoa and rice, I don't think it's a good combination. But my wife said, what about 단팥죽? Yeah, this is Korean one. Yeah, it has rice. And this is very sweet, a lot of sugar. And one thing different is red bean. So cocoa, red bean. So this is only the difference, I think. What do you think? 어떻게 생각해? 맞아? You know what? I was a military chef for 2 years, between 2000 and 2002. And 야, 여기다가 쌀 넣다니 진짜 난.
1 tablespoon.
코코아 티인데 티? 코코아 차잖아.
핫 초코.
어.
핫초코 만들까? 1 tablespoon 넣었어?
코코아? 아니. 이거 2숟갈 넣었는데?
어?
2개. And add in the rice.
Adding the rice.
I think a very original, authentic way of cooking method is we have to use uncooked rice. 맞지? Cooked rice. Yeah, exactly same in Korea. We have these kinds of food, and for make it fast, we use cooked rice. Of course, I will use cooked rice.
찹쌀도.
Okay. 코코아 코코아 와 지금 오빠는 진짜 아직도 이거 완전히 코코아 차에다가 밥 넣어서 먹는 거야. 자, I will let it be.
설탕나.
설탕을 넣으라고? 이거 언제 많이 먹어? 아침? 이제
비올 때.
비 올 때.
한 컵. 500수에 살 수 있어.
한 컵에 5페소?
근데 거코에 너무 많아.
다 넣어?
One spoon. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon.
안 먹어봐도 무슨 말인지 알 것 같아. 코코아랑 밥맛이지 뭐. 먹기 전에 얘를 뿌린다. 위에다가 이렇게.
아니면
이거 뭐야?
파우더. 두 가지야 선택해.
When you eat, put some milk powder or condensed milk 아니야?
Evaporated.
Evaporated. 이거 뭐야? Okay, this one or this one. When you eat, I will eat with some Korean 김치. 김치.
너무 이상해.
짬뽀라도에 김치. 먹어봐. 맛만 봐. 짬뽀라도 맞아? 그만큼? 짬뽀라도 sweet cocoa tea rice. Okay, I think it's done. It's done. I'll move to my room. I will taste. 짬뽀라도.
참포라도 해봐.
아주 넓어. Alright, my champorado. And what is this? Bear brand fortified. Let me try without this first. 생각보다 괜찮네. One thing is, if I don't know how this cooked, what ingredient inside, I'm not a professional food taster, food reviewer. No, I don't know. Without any information, I'm pretty sure that I cannot tell this one has cocoa taste. Just something is mixed. I smell some cocoa thing, but it's mixed with rice, and then it becomes another taste. Oh. Very interesting. All right. Let's try like this. 별로다. Sorry, but I don't like this one. Yeah. Without powder, it tastes better. Actually, I'm thinking what Korean food goes well with this one. Just a second. I'll bring some. I'm back. This is my choice. Garlic. Garlic in soy sauce and vinegar. So I will put some. Very same color. Yeah. Very dark. It sounds. I was very worried how to say something about this one because I was almost 100% sure that this will taste like rice in the cocoa tea. But like I finished cocoa and rice, and then is another one, not rice in the cocoa. I enjoy it, but I like the taste itself. I don't want to put something on it. No. If you have any idea, please leave your comment below and I'll read every comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.